Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to stop sharing call history between iPhone and iPad. So the first fix is to check Apple ID. Verify if the Apple ID on both devices is same. If it is, this is likely the reason for shared call history. If the IDs are same, it will share your call history. The second is to use different Apple ID. So if you're using the same Apple ID, simply create another Apple ID, use a different email address. Now this will prevent from sharing call history. The third is to disable iCloud syncing. If you prefer to use the same Apple ID, you can disable iCloud syncing in iCloud Drive. Tap on your Apple ID, tap on iCloud, tap on iCloud Drive. Now just disable sync this phone. Now by following these steps, you can effectively prevent your call history from being shared between your iPhone and iPad. So that's it. See you in next tutorial.